Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube video to a WordPress web page. If you remember, we have created a menu item called media with 3 submenus. So this one is called video. I'm just going to go to videos, and at this point this is blank, there's nothing here. So in order to add information here, we're going to go to our admin page, pages, all pages. We need to find the videos page. There you go, it's right here at the end. In order to edit it, I'm going to click on the words videos. Okay, I'm going to stay here and then go to my YouTube page. This is a YouTube video, and I would like to add this to our page. All you need to do is to scroll down and go to the share. So where it says share, you click on that. It gives you a link, but remember, you don't want to link to a YouTube video. We actually want to watch the YouTube video, have it in our web page. So we need to embed it. So we got to click on the embed. Do not highlight and do not copy this link. We don't need it. We got to go to embed. When you do that, it will give you a longer code, which is an iframe code. Highlight that and copy it. So there you go, copy. We're going to go back to our web page. Here in this document page, we have 2 tabs. One is visual, another one is text. Text actually stands for HTML code. They have changed the name to text, which is quite ambiguous, but I'm going to click on that because we are going to paste a code here. We cannot paste that in the visual segment, so we have to go to text and then right click here and paste. That iframe code is pasted here. Now I'm going to go to update our page and then go back to our website and refresh the page. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.